Hi guys, so today I have a very fun prom makeup look, another video again, just because I've been really having fun, so much fun with making a prom makeup tutorial. Or you could actually wear this makeup like anywhere you want as well. This one I really focus on a little bit more like a purpley, like a lavender kind of like color, and I really like the combination of this. And you could actually throw on some gloss if you wanted to, but throughout this whole video I'm not gonna be doing any talking. Probably maybe just a little bit of voiceover, because I also show you guys my beauty hacks on this one as well, like how to keep your face really matte, because myself I have a really my skin type is oily, so it's always like super oily like around my T-zone, especially like the tip of my nose. So the one trick that I forgot to show on you guys in this video, I was totally forgot. So what I usually would do is the tip of my nose, especially on that area, I like to put a little bit of the soft ochre, the MAC paint pot in the soft ochre, just around like my nose, the tip of my nose area, just because it's helped. So it's helped to prevent from a oily. Just really keep it matte, and when you contour the nose, it don't really get like patchy as well. So I really love this trick, but I was totally forgot to show you guys in this video. But the rest of the hack, I'm probably gonna be a little bit of voiceover for you guys, just because my throat been really hurt and I've been really sick the past 2-3 days now, and it's don't seem to get any better yet. But yes, I hope you guys really like this video, and if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channels. And if you guys would like to see how I get this makeup look, please keep on watching. So the first hack, I'm gonna be using the Morphe and Bretman Rock highlighter to highlight the bone structure and my shoulder to make them really glowy looking. So for this one, I like to use my favorite primer from Too Faced, Prime and Peachy, the Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. So the next hack, I'm gonna be using a darker concealer. It could be anything to correct my discoloration on my face, so to make my skin look all even. This one, I like to use this my favorite loose powder to put it all over my face, so pretty much to set the concealer that we put on our face, and also to set the primer, and it will help to keep your face matte all day long as well. So this next hack is going to be how to match your foundation to your skin undertone. So as you can see, the color looks okay, but it might be look a little pink and a little bit lighter side. So I like to mix my Makeup Forever Chromatic Mix Pigment. It's in the shade yellow, to mix in with my foundation, and so you can see now, and it starts to look like my skin undertone, which is yellow. And I like to spray my Urban Decay Ornator to just set everything together, and I started to apply all the foundation all over the face using my beauty blender. So in this part, I really don't know or have any idea where the part that I was using the Becca Brightening Setting Powder was gone. But now I'm using my favorite highlighter from the Physician Formula in the shade Champagne. And now my skin is ready for the next step, which is the eye makeup. I really love the way it looks so much. In this part, I was using the Milani Retouch and Erase in the shade 30 for cut crease, but I really regret it, and then I really recommend you guys to stick with the MAC Select Cover Up.
In this part, I like to put a little bit of more lash glue on my lash line to double secure the lashes and make sure they'll stay all day long. And yes, this is the finished makeup look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys try out any makeup hack that I recommend you guys, please let me know on my social media. And yes, thank you so much.